Food Safety Department officials in Bengaluru have launched inspections at several Indira Canteen kitchens following recent raids on luxury hotels across the city. During the inspections, officials checked food preparation and storage facilities and examined the quality of vegetables, rice, lentils, oil, and other ingredients. They also looked for expired or spoiled food items and checked whether food was being stored hygienically. At the Gottigere Indira Canteen, officials reportedly found rats and rodents inside the kitchen. Citing poor hygiene and an unclean kitchen, authorities sealed the canteen and issued a notice to its contractor. Officials also inspected Indira canteens in areas including Lingarajpura. The action comes shortly after food safety raids on Bengaluru's luxury hotels uncovered issues including improperly stored non-vegetarian food, incorrectly labeled products, and fungus-affected vegetables. The Food Safety Department has now turned its attention to contractors operating Indira canteens, stressing the need for proper hygiene, safe food storage, and compliance with food safety standards.